Hi guys, in this video I want to tell you about Ebola virus. In case you're wondering what Ebola virus means, or you want to know how to prevent contracting Ebola virus, you're thinking what are the symptoms of Ebola virus, and in my other video I'll be talking about the treatment and other stuff like other exercises you should do in case. Alright, so let's just jump in straight. Ebola virus is a deadly virus caused by virus. Right, Ebola is a virus. Unlike we have bacteria, virus is another microorganisms, right, which exists. Right, so there are 5 strains, right, and 4 of them can make people sick. Right, after entering the body, it kills cells, it kills the cells of the body. Right, so making some of them explode, it wrecks the immune system. If you remember, I spoke about immune system in my other video, right, how to help your immune are like the police officer of the body. All right, so immune system, if something is affecting the immune system, know that your body is seriously in danger. Just like if like now we have the police station and people are vandalizing the police station, or people are assaulting the police officers and they like chase the police officers away from their city, then there will be rampant of crimes, criminal activities, so immune system are so important. So they are saying here it wrecks the immune system, so big danger. Right, it causes heavy bleeding inside the body, all right, and damages almost every organs. All right, so the virus is scary, but it's also rare. It's difficult to come by this virus. You can get it only from direct contact with an infected person's body fluid. Right, I'm getting some reports that you can as well get this virus from animals. Most animals have their body system. If they are infected too, if you touch them, you might contact this virus. And virus is not just something like whereby you just contact it from animals. You can get it from metal. Like when we were having coronavirus outbreak, everybody was so skeptical. You have to sanitize, prevent. I'll come to this prevention later, but I'm just trying to explain more further. Right, so how do you get this virus? You can get the virus from person who has the virus, and also why they have symptoms. Okay, people pass it to others through body fluids, blood, stool and vomit are the most infectious, but semen, urine, sweat, tears and breast milk also carries it. All right, so they are saying, like in this line, they say you can get the body fluid from person to person, like it can transfer from one person to another person. And this if they're having the symptoms of Ebola, and or if they are already having Ebola virus, so you can get the thing from somebody, especially if you're having the body blood, you're having the stool of the person. If you have contact with the stool or sweat, even like I'm sweating right now. Right, urine, you can get it from urine. That is common in all virus. You can get it from semen, like if somebody ejaculates, a guy ejaculates, semen production, you can get it. And you can get it from tears. It's crazy now. And breast milk is much more common. All right, so to get Ebola, you'd have to get these fluids in your mouth, nose, eyes, genitals, or breaking your skin. You can also pick it up from items, like I just told you now, that viruses can be transferred even from, like I use this, if God forbid, but for example, if somebody's having Ebola virus and you clean their sweats, they clean their sweats with this and keep this, and you mistakenly use it and clean yours, you can contact it if your skin is open. Only if your skin is open, like they say here, only if your skin is open, or you can get it through if it enters your eye, your nose, your mouth, your ear, or other opening part of your body. All right, and so they are saying here you can get it from needles, you can get it from sheets, like I just explained. From this material, if some for peradventure the virus is here, I clean my face and clean the virus and put in my face, or mistakenly my tongue touch this material, then have chances, but it's difficult for it to contact you from the mouth because the mouth has a lot of would I say enzymes. So these enzymes, they often fight against virus, right? So let's just go straight. I want to make this video very short and tell you all about Ebola virus. So how you won't contact Ebola virus? How can't you contact Ebola virus, if you might ask? You can't get Ebola virus from casual contacts, right? Like sitting next to the infected person. Let's say I'm sitting here, somebody's sitting here. I can't get the transfusion except the person's body semen, body fluid is transferred into my body fluid, alright? Either saliva or whatever, or sweat, you understand? So air, food and water don't carry the virus. So but kissing or sharing food or drink with someone who has the Ebola could be a huge risk. What are the symptoms of Ebola virus? It can take up to 2 or 21 days for you to experience these symptoms, but usually 8 to 10 days after infections. For the signs of Ebola, it will appear like symptoms seems to be like flu-like. First is sign, sudden fever. Most of them as you feel tiredness, weakness, dizziness, muscle pain, headache, sore throat, similar to other medical issues. As the disease gets worse, it causes vomiting, rashes, bruising or bleeding without an injury, like from the eyes or gums. Alright, where is Ebola? Ebola mostly is in the Africa region, West Africa. Alright, and the virus has affected many people, especially countries like it started in Guinea, then it spread to Sierra Leone, it came to Liberia, Nigeria. Yes, we used to have this Ebola outbreak, but right now it's no longer occurring. I think the current country and the only country who are suffering from Ebola outbreak now is Uganda. How can I prevent it? Avoid, like we have told you how you can contact this Ebola virus, so you avoid the contact with people like this. You avoid contact with people who are having it. Avoid their fluid coming into you. Alright, that is the advice here. And other advice is avoid eating wild animal like bats, monkeys. These animals might have come across this virus. They are suspecting these animals are the contributors to this virus, but not 100% sure. Right, wash your hands often with soap and water. I strongly advise for that. Sanitize your hand. Always take the medical protocols to keep yourself safe. Right, thank you for watching, guys.